Ranch Files, Doc Pierce here, and it's, I don't know, March 23rd or so, 2023. And we've had some massive rain the last 2 or 3 days. Thought I'd give you a glimpse of my little creek. It's no longer little. Come on, Kai! I don't want Kai to go out there, she'd be washed away. Yeah, it's a running. Been aerial flood warnings for the last 3 days. Woo-wee! That'd be a fun ride. What you doing, puppers? What do you think of that water? So that would be impassable for my little truck. So that road's closed. Man, that is moving. I was wondering why people had trouble, fencing off the creek, for their cattle. And there's the reason. That puppy's moving. Kai, what are you doing? Don't jump in there. Come on. Come on, let's go. Oh, look at that. Come on, puppers. Everything's greening up though. No sign of drought right now. Well, come on, let's go. Ready to go. Come on, BB. Okay. Here's the view of the new fence going in on the road since they took out all the trees. Man, that's a massive amount of trees right there. That's going to make one heck of a fire. I'll have to see if I can take a picture of that when that happens. Water's not normally there. You can see there's a new creek. Wow. Never seen that over there before. Flash flood. And it's supposed to rain most of the day today. Stopping tonight. It's a little chilly. Probably about 45, 50 degrees out. Oh, P, she just lives for this. She loves to run whenever I drive. Watch, she's gonna, woo! Oh, you missed out, puppy! Wanted to show you the other new creek. Wow. Yeah, puppy. I know. Dang, look at all the wash along my fence line. Holy smokes, look at that. You can see that whole ridge of dirt's just been washed out right at the bottom of the fence. Ooh, that's not good. A lot of topsoil gone. There it goes. Well, I think we can make it through this little one. Come on, Papa, you won't get wet. Holy smokes. Skipped my morning breakfast meeting just because I didn't want to deal with these roads. I knew they were going to be flooded. Holy smokes, I've never seen it this deep in the 3 years I've been here. Well, 2.5 years, let's say. Look at that. Woo-wee. Oh, the fence is down. I just noticed. Holy smokes. I wonder if Rance even knows. Wow. Fence is down on both sides. Ah, that's a bummer. I didn't even know there was a culvert under there. Ciao, puppy. Oop, here comes the neighbor. Doc Pierce signing off. Much love and many blessings. Doc out.